you've ever wanted a bracelet that looks like it was made for a yacht club in Monaco, but built to be worn every single day for the rest of your life, keep watching, because this is the Anchor Bracelet, and it's absolutely unlike anything else you've seen before. If you don't know me, I'm Nick Miller, and I've been designing jewelry for over 15 years, and I'm honored that tens of thousands of happy collectors wear my pieces, including billionaires and celebrities like LeBron James and Billie Eilish. This is called the Anchor Bracelet, and the name is intentional. An anchor is the one thing on a ship that holds everything in place. It's heavy, it's reliable, it's iconic, and that's exactly what this bracelet is. Now let me be real clear about something. This is solid 18 karat gold. Not filled, not hollow, not plated, not vermeil, solid. And you can wear this thing every single day, in the water, in the sun, all throughout life, and it will never let you down. It's genuinely a piece that you will pass down for generations. And I haven't even told you about the clasp yet. This is our diamond Luxe clasp. It comes set with brilliant cut diamonds, and the clasp alone stops people in their tracks. Now, what would a bracelet be if it was attractive but not comfortable or easy to take on and off? Thankfully, the Anchor Bracelet accomplishes both of those things. Let's see how much it weighs. So I've got it on the scale here. It's coming in at 147 grams, which means this bracelet has real weight to it. That's almost 5 ounces of solid 18 karat gold, and it gives it a substantial feel that tells you immediately this thing is not hollow. When you put it on, you know it's there, and that weight is part of the luxurious feel. Now we've got almost 180 diamonds set on the face of the clasp. They're all round, brilliant cut. These are genuine diamonds that are set by hand in the clasp. Now let's talk a little bit more about these links. When you take a closer look, it's obvious to see why they're called the anchor link, because each link is the shape of an anchor. The links are chunky, they're bold, they have a nautical essence to them, but a very high-end nautical essence. They give the bracelet an excellent structure so that it lays flat, but it also looks really nice going around the wrist without twisting or tangling. So they're coming in around 4.5 millimeters thick, which is nice enough to make a statement, refined enough so it stacks beautifully if you want to layer it with another piece or maybe a watch. When it comes to sizes, we do offer it in every size. If you need a custom size, just reach out before ordering and we'll make sure it fits your wrist perfectly. We do offer this bracelet in all gold colors, so if you want it in rose or white gold or even platinum, just let us know. Additionally, if you'd like to customize the clasp with your choice of gemstones or diamonds, we're happy to do that as well. Now, one question I get about this bracelet is, can I wear it every day? And the short answer is yes, absolutely. That's the entire point. Solid 18 karat gold doesn't tarnish, it doesn't fade, it doesn't corrode. This is a wear it forever piece and wear it every day piece. Does it come with any type of certification or documentation? Absolutely. Every single gold or platinum piece that we sell comes with a certificate of authenticity, and if you'd like, we can also add an appraisal for you. So that, my friends, is the Anchor Bracelet. Solid 18 karat gold, genuine diamond pavé, built to last generations. The link will be in the description below. If you have any other questions about it at all, maybe it's sizing, stones, or anything else, please drop them in the comments or send us a direct message. We are always standing by to help. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. And if you would like to see more content like this, please be sure that you subscribe and like this video below. I would also love to hear what you'd like to see next. Catch you on the next one.